Stay warm and maximize your fireplace's efficiency with the latest innovations. The top 5 best wood-burning stove fans circulates heat evenly, reducing cold spots and enhancing comfort throughout your space. Experience quieter, energy-efficient warmth every winter season. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Miaton Wood-Burning Stove Fan. The Miaton wood-burning stove fan is an exceptional accessory for anyone looking to maximize warmth and efficiency from their fireplace or wood stove. Featuring a dual motor design, this fan is highly versatile and can be used not only with traditional wood stoves, but also with pellet heaters, camping propane heaters, and even for winter ice fishing tents. The heat-powered mechanism ensures it operates without electricity, making it a reliable option during power outages. A standout feature of the Miaton fan is its temperature sensing module, which slightly lifts the fan from the stove's surface when temperatures become too high, protecting the unit from heat damage and extending its lifespan. It also includes a built-in thermometer, allowing users to monitor stove temperatures accurately. Designed for energy efficiency, the fan circulates heat effectively, enabling faster warming of rooms while using less fuel, which ultimately saves money and reduces wood consumption. Despite its power, the fan operates at a noise level under 25 decibels, making it virtually silent and perfect for quiet indoor environments. Whether used in a living room, cabin, or tent, the Miaton fan is compact, sturdy, and built with premium materials that ensure long-term durability. Its performance and thoughtful design make it ideal for those who value comfort, efficiency, and reliability in a wood stove accessory. Number 2. Rossesay Wood-Burning Stove Fan. The Rossesay Wood-Burning Stove Fan is an upgraded fireplace accessory designed to maximize heat circulation and improve energy efficiency. This model comes with 4 single-motor 5-blade fans, which push more warm air than traditional 4-blade fans. Users can operate multiple fans simultaneously or share them among friends, offering flexibility for larger spaces. Utilizing thermoelectric technology, the fan generates power from the stove's heat without requiring batteries or external electricity. It is compatible with freestanding stoves with surface temperatures between 85 and 350 degrees Celsius and starts automatically at around 50 degrees Celsius. Its optimal performance occurs when the stove reaches 250 to 300 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a wide range of stoves and fire setups. One of the fan's key advantages is its silent operation, maintaining noise levels below 25 decibels, which allows for reading, working, or family activities without distraction. The Rossesay fan also helps reduce fuel consumption, allowing stoves to operate more efficiently. Its sturdy construction, combined with user-friendly setup and maintenance, ensures a reliable and long-lasting heating solution. With its quiet performance, efficient heat distribution, and energy-saving benefits, the Rossesay wood-burning stove fan is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their wood stove experience. Number 3. GALAFIRE Wood-Burning Stove Fan. The GALAFIRE wood-burning stove fan is a compact, heat-powered fan designed to enhance the efficiency of wood stoves, pellet stoves, and gas stoves. Constructed from premium anodized aluminum, this fan is lightweight yet durable, ensuring long-term performance. Its heat-activated design allows the fan to self-start at temperatures as low as 50 degrees Celsius, requiring no electricity or batteries, which makes it both energy efficient and eco-friendly. The included magnetic thermometer allows users to monitor the stove temperature, preventing overheating and ensuring safe operation. Standing only 19 centimeters tall, the GALAFIRE fan fits easily into narrow spaces, making it an ideal choice for smaller stoves or confined areas. It quietly circulates warm air throughout the room, reducing hot air buildup near the ceiling and distributing heat more evenly for enhanced comfort. The fan's silent operation also ensures minimal disruption, making it suitable for use in bedrooms or living areas where quiet is appreciated. In addition to improving heat distribution, the GALAFIRE fan boosts stove efficiency, allowing fuel to burn more effectively and reducing overall consumption. Its compact size, durable materials, and quiet yet powerful performance make it a practical and reliable addition to any heating setup. For those seeking a small, efficient, and easy-to-use stove fan, the GALAFIRE model offers excellent functionality and convenience. Number 4. BLFIRE Wood-Burning Stove Fan. The BLFIRE wood-burning stove fan is designed to maximize heat circulation with its powerful dual motor and 12-blade system, delivering up to 50% more warm air than single-motor fans. This fan is ideal for enhancing the comfort of any room while improving stove efficiency. Its heat-activated design eliminates the need for batteries or electricity, ensuring reliable operation even during power outages. A temperature-sensing module protects the fan by slightly lifting it from the stove's surface if temperatures become too high, preventing damage and extending its lifespan. The built-in thermometer allows users to monitor stove temperature conveniently. Crafted from high-quality anodized aluminum, the BLFIRE fan is both rust-resistant and durable, making it suitable for long-term use. Operating quietly at 25 decibels or less, it distributes warmth without disturbing the household, making it suitable for living rooms, cabins, or quiet workspaces. The fan improves fuel efficiency by circulating heat more effectively, allowing stoves to warm larger areas with less wood. Whether for residential or recreational use, the BLFIRE wood-burning stove fan combines robust construction, energy efficiency, and quiet operation to deliver a superior fireplace accessory that enhances comfort and ensures safe, reliable heating. Number 5. Miaton Oscillating Wood-Burning Stove Fan. The Miaton Oscillating Wood-Burning Stove Fan is a versatile heat-powered fan designed to provide even heat distribution across larger areas. Unlike traditional fans, it automatically begins spinning when the stove temperature reaches 60 degrees Celsius and it oscillates side to side at 80 degrees Celsius, covering a panning angle of 60 degrees. This oscillation ensures warm air reaches every corner of the room, enhancing comfort and reducing cold spots. The fan is built from corrosion-resistant, high-quality aluminum and features over-temperature protection for long-term reliability. Its heat-powered operation generates electricity from the temperature difference, eliminating the need for batteries or external power sources and improving energy efficiency. By enhancing heat transfer, it can reduce wood consumption by up to 30%, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective. The fan operates at a quiet 25 decibels, providing warmth without creating disruptive noise, which is ideal for homes, cabins, or enclosed spaces where silence is valued. Its compact design allows easy placement on stove platforms or heaters without disassembly, offering convenience and flexibility. The Miaton Oscillating Wood-Burning Stove Fan combines intelligent heat distribution, durable materials, energy efficiency, and quiet operation, making it an excellent addition for anyone looking to maximize their stove's performance while maintaining a comfortable and warm environment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.